Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So, if you have noticed your Galaxy S26 Ultra battery is draining way too fast even when you are barely using it, you are not alone. A bunch of users are reporting the same issue. So whether you are struggling with the battery life or just looking for some tips to stretch out your charging, we are going to break down some battery saving tricks to help you out to improve your Galaxy S26 Ultra battery. We are going to start some basic, and that is just go ahead and force quit all the applications and windows that are running in the background. This will save a lot of battery. Next, go ahead and check out some brightness settings. For this, you need to open up your settings, then display. Now, the first thing, if you want, you can use the dark mode on your device. This will help you to save the battery life. For the sake of this video, we are keeping it light. After that, if adaptive brightness is turned on, just turn it off so it does not keep going up and down and consume battery. And talking about the brightness, if extra brightness is turned on, just turn it off if you want. Next, we are going to enter motion smoothness or refresh rate. It is recommended try to keep it selected to a standard refresh rate to save the battery life. And last, in the display section, we are going to visit the screen timeout. Just make sure to keep it selected to a minimal level. Right from here, we are going to go back to the main setting and select the lock screen and AOD. Now, more or less, we all know that AOD is one of the biggest reasons to consume the battery life. But if you want to keep it turned on, tap on Always Displays. Here we can simply select your AOD to tap to show or auto. You can also schedule it for that matter. Going back to the main setting, I'm going to be visiting the very on battery setting. The first thing in here, you can visit the background usage limit. And make sure to put the unused app into the sleep mode option is turned on. You can check out some other setting in here and select which apps you never wanted to in auto sleep. Select those apps and then go back. Now moving back towards the battery setting, and here you will enter into the battery protection. It is recommended to improve the overall battery life. Just turn it on. Here you can either select basic or maximum to save your device from overcharging. Now going back and scroll down, make sure auto dim screen when your battery percentage is 5% is turned on. And lastly, in this section, I'm going to be opening up the power saving. We can see a lot of options already have shown will enable when you are on your power saving mode. Now lastly, by tapping on this three dot, you can enter into the adaptive power saving option. And it's totally up to you if you want to turn it on. Next, we are going to check out some device care option from setting. Now in device care, you can see it can optimize your device functions, and from here, it can clear up your memory, so storage issues does not put pressure on your battery. Now going back to the device care section, to performance profile, it is recommended to save your battery to keep using the light mode. We are almost done here. And lastly, it is recommended that whenever you are not using your device, just keep the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or mobile data turned off along with location services. And every now and then try to give your device a reboot. So guys, these are some of the very handy tips that you can use to improve the overall battery life on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope these tips can help you increase the battery life on your device. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Peace.